Alright, we will be looking at our 7th grade math review, week 15, day 1. This is Monday. We did this bottom portion in class today. It was converting between fractions, decimals, and percents. We're looking at a couple of them on the top here. How many 2 1/4 inch pieces of gum can the tape be cut into? Hubba Bubba bubble gum tape is 6 feet long. How many 2 1/4 inch pieces can the tape be cut into? Well, I hope that you can see that this is a division problem. This is in feet, this is in inches. Let us convert. 6 feet, well, we know there's 12 inches in 1 foot, so we're going to multiply that by 12. 6 feet times 12 inches per 1 foot gives us 72 inches. 6 feet is 72 inches. So we want to know how many 2 1/4s are there in 72. So I'll take 72 and divide by 2 1/4. Well, 2 1/4 I will convert to a improper fraction. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So this becomes 72 divided by 9 over 4. Well, we know when we divide by a fraction, we multiply by the reciprocal. So keep, change, flip. So we have 72 times 4 over 9. I can write this over 1, and here I can do some cancellation. 9 goes into 9 once, 9 into 72, 8 times. So we have 8 times 4 in the numerator, that's 32. 1 times 1 in the denominator, that's 1. 32 over 1 is equal to 32. We have 32 2 1/4 inch pieces. Is that reasonable? Well, 72 divided by 2 is 36, so 32 is indeed reasonable. 32 pieces. Chris has, this one will be very similar. Alright, we're going to find the combined length. We'll do some adding and find the length of the remaining board pieces after he gets his 4 pieces. That looks like a subtraction. Alright, day 2. We're going to omit number 1 here. Number 2, we have 94 plus 6y equals 79. I want to solve for y. We will first eliminate our negative 94 by adding 94. Whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. 94 cancels with 94 to leave 6y on the left. 79 plus 94, that looks like 173. Carry my, yep. Dividing both sides by 6. Dividing by 6. I'll come over here to do my division. 6 into 173. 6 into 17 2 times. 2 times 6 is 12. Subtract gives me 5. 3. 6 will go into 53. 8 times. 6 times 8 is 48. Subtract, and that's 5. Well, the 5 will be left over, and I express that over the denominator. This is 28 and 5/6. 28 and 5/6 is the solution to this one. Next one you can do in a very similar fashion. The bottom says write the order pair for each point. I'm going to do one from each quadrant, we say. We call this quadrant 1. This is called quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. Looking at point R. R is right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. R is 9, 5. 9 to the right and 5 up. Now I'll write that in R. There is no R selection up here. Let's add that. R is 9, 5. Alright, I'm in quadrant 2. P is right -3 and up 1. -3, positive 1. P is -3, +1. 3. Everything in quadrant 3 is a negative and a negative because we got left and down. For instance, point U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the left and 1, 2, 3 down. -7, -3. Point U, -7, -3. Lastly, in the fourth quadrant, I'm going to look at Z. 1, 2, 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, 3, -5, 3 right and 5 down. Alright, that's Z. Also not a Z here, so we'll add Z. I'll add it at the bottom. Z is 3, -5. You should easily be able to finish the rest of those with that. That takes care of Monday and Tuesday. Later on this week, we'll have a video for Wednesday and Thursday.